watching and give us a big thumbs up and hit the like, subscribe. Yeah! And assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, right?
Everybody, come over here.
So this is in Floral Park, right? Next to the Burlington, right? There's a small mall where they have Walgreen, Syrian Bank. You can come here and feed the pigeons. You can bring bird food, or you can bring even, you know, bread or whatever they eat. You can feed them. And it's fun. Now, Tanisha, be careful. Don't run, you're gonna fall, okay? Be careful.
Okay. Oh, let me stop over here. 3, 2, 1, go!
Don't go too far. Don't go too far. Let them sit in one place and eat, okay?
Huh?
Let them sit in one place and let them eat, okay? Don't chase them.
So we're just going around. Hey, let's come back. Hey, let's go. Take a boat. This whole area.
These are birds too.
We'll finish the whole thing.
Yeah, you can finish it, yeah.
Can we buy some more?
Yeah, but not now, another day. Don't use your hand like that, Nafizah.
Huh?
They're not clean, okay? And something spiky can be on the floor, okay? On the ground. Don't get up, they're gonna get scared and they're gonna run away. Nafizah, no, not here. Throw it towards them, okay?
They're very hungry, aren't they? Let's try to throw it. Can I do this?
Yeah, but they will get scared and run.
I don't know.
Now fly away. Is there any more left?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Let's finish it up, okay?
Who gave you these?
I bought it.
I like it when they it's bird baby. Hey, you're yummy food.
Just pour everything on the ground from the bag, yeah.
Pouring everything on the
Don't throw the bag, please. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, there you go. Done. Okay.
There's a board.
All right. Say bye-bye to your friends, okay?
Bye, pigeons. Can we run around?
Not pigeon friends. Your friends, those who are watching you.
Oh, bye.
Nafizah?
Bye, pigeons.
Nafizah?
Can we run around to scare
Nafizah?
them?
No, that's not nice,
Can
right?
we like run around?
No,
with
no.
them? Please.
Let them eat peacefully, okay? All right. Say bye-bye,
No
Nafizah.
more food, Daddy. This is my love stick.
All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you guys for watching and give us a big thumbs up and hit the like, subscribe button and
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Waalaikumsalam. Bye.